Okay, so here she is. This has been awaited a long time. We've been trying to get this out of Ukraine for a little while, and the guys at Dora Wings were able to organise it and get it going. So we've received them. They're in stock right now. So let's have a look at it. So you get a nice big box, lots of parts. Oh, the clear parts are separate. They're really nice. So that should work. They're all in one piece. It's not a one-piece canopy, it's in sections, so you can open it up and all the rest of it. So let's have a look at the rest of it. Nice seal bag, lots of sprues. Let's have a look at the instructions first. In the instructions we get your decal sheet. There's a couple of decal sheets in there for all sorts of things. Etch metal, so there's two sets. One looks like for the interiors and things, the other one's for the flaps. And I believe there's also a mask set in there, which is true because it says there on the instruction sheet. So, instruction layout, usual sort of form of the way Dora Wings does it. All good colour call-outs for all the different bits and pieces. All little sections there, so it's very nicely detailed. The cockpit is really nice, and you're going to need that because of the clear parts, because as I said, they're really nice, so they're going to show up really well. Engine detail, lots and lots in there, bits and pieces. A couple of things I came across when I was reading the instructions. This here, for a long time I couldn't work out what they were talking about, because they normally say section 39 in the next series. What I discovered is it's these two parts. They haven't actually indicated what they are. They just appear in their instruction, but that's the parts there. So don't fall for that trap when you're looking for it like I did for a while. So there you go. Then we get 4 choices of markings. So you got 2 there, 3, 4. Now this one actually exists. This is dynamite, and as a kid, going many years back, I actually have physically seen this aeroplane, and I fell in love with the aeroplane. It's an ugly looking thing, but it's just a lovely aeroplane. And if you remember back, Frog did one, and I built quite a few of them. So let's have a look at the rest of the Dora Wings 48 scale kit. So here's the wings. Nice detail on them. Oh, really finely engraved, and it's all just really nicely done. This is the Bombay sections and wheels. This is the wheel covers and things like that. The beauty of these guys, Dora Wings, they've given you either the open Bombay doors, or they've given you closed Bombay doors, which is very nice if you don't want to open the Bombay, although there's a lot of detail in that Bombay, so you might want to open it, but I'm not that interested. But I'm glad they've done the Bombay doors as a separate, either opened or closed. So that's pretty cool. There's some nice bits and pieces in there. This is your tail feathers, so this is all the different bits and pieces there, so that's cool. Fuselage, way nice. Very well done. Slots for the tails and the things. There's the parts of the floor. That's part of the forward part of the engine section, or forward part of the fuselage. Very nice. This is all your flaps and ailerons and all that sort of good gear. And this is the rest of the fuselage there, so that's pretty cool. And this is all the engine. Now this is really nice. The detail on it is just, that's the cowlings. There's more of the cowling. There's your bombs. This is all cockpit parts, guns. That's the bombs to go in there, and this is all your engine props, engine parts. This is all again part of that's the bomb cradles. So that's really nice. So as I said, if you want to build a Bombay, it's really well detailed. So if you really want to go to town on it, it's quite nice. So there you go. But the detail on the engines is really nice. This is a really nice kit. It's not a kit that I would do as a first kit. There's a lot of detail in it, and it's more, you're going to need a little bit of experience building these types of kits. So take your time, work it out, read the instructions carefully, because there's a lot of bits and pieces to go on. There's quite a bit of etched metal in the cockpit and things like that, so keep an eye on that. But as finally a Vultee Vengeance that's really nice, better than something that was released quite a few years ago, which I now list as in my top 5 worst kits ever produced. This is the one that we've been waiting for. This is really nice, so go and get one. the four markings or whatever in the kit are all Australian. So they've gone out and done specifically Australian ones for us. So have fun. This is great. Couple of new other ones that came in as well. This is the Curtis Wrights and the Seversky. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. See you guys. Bye.